Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're signed in and ready. Start in Settings. Once done, tap your name at the top to open Apple ID options. Make sure Wi-Fi is active because Backups list needs network access. While you're here, glance at Icloud storage meter so you know available space. If you see low storage, you may want to free up space before restoring. Otherwise, you can still view backup details. Now tap iCloud to proceed to the Backups area and view what's stored. Once in iCloud, tap Manage Storage and then Backups to list devices tied to your Apple ID. Select the device you care about. You'll see the last backup date and total backup size so you know how recent the snapshot is. Make sure to expand the backup entry to inspect which apps and settings are included, because some app data may not be backed up. If you're checking before restoring, this is where you confirm you have the right version to recover from. To finish, decide whether to keep, delete, or trigger a new iCloud backup. Tap Backups to delete old ones or enable iCloud Backup to create a fresh copy. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi and power for a reliable backup. If you don't see an expected backup, sign out and back into your Apple ID, check iCloud system status, and confirm you have enough storage. That often resolves missing backups. If not, try restarting the device and check again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.